Today we're going to work on making a natural guacamole. Really, the guacamole is very simple ingredients. It starts with a good ripe avocado. You've got diced tomatoes, diced onions, some lemon, some chopped cilantro, a little bit of garlic, and jalapeno. The jalapeno you can use to your flavor, your likeness. That's how you can control the heat. Want to finish it with a little bit of Tabasco, some olive oil, a little bit of Worcestershire, and salt and pepper. So the way I like to do it is avocado in half, take the seed out, and then I just kind of strike my knife through it, and this is going to help get everything prepared as you're scooping it into the bowl. Using a kitchen spoon, scoop out all of the avocado pulp, set it off to the side. Do the same thing with the other side. Having everything all pre-chopped and ready to go is going to help you out. We're going to add diced tomato. I've got about half of a jalapeno here that's been pretty small diced. Some diced red onion, 1 clove of garlic, some chopped cilantro, and then we're going to add the juice of about a half a lime. Personally, I like to add a couple dashes of Tabasco, and the reason I like to use Tabasco is it's a vinegar base and it adds a little bit of flavor, and they can use less salt in it that way. A little splash of Worcestershire sauce. Olive oil, this is going to give it a nice creamy texture. A little kosher salt. And a little fresh ground black pepper. This all just gets mixed together. Kind of mash things as you're going through if you want a little bit creamier guacamole. If you want it more salsa-like, leave the chunks a little bit bigger. After we get it entirely mixed up, you want to adjust the seasonings for yourself. Scoop it into your serving vessel. And what we've made is a natural guacamole.